Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I'm going to be opening some unicorn Happy Mail, and this was sent to me by Martha's Creations. I'll have her link down below so you guys can definitely go check her out. This was a unicorn swap hosted by Cat Paper Love. She will also be linked down below. So I got my box early because they're due out the 14th of August. But Martha sent it to me early, and I'm sending out Martha's early as well. But yeah, you guys, look how cute she decorated the box. I ripped off all the labels and stuff like that. And yeah, let's open it. And ta-da! Look at what she did. She decorated the box. It looks so cute. It looks like a cake. I absolutely love it. Like, you know how cake boxes look like that? I love that. You see that? Okay, and then look, you guys, look at all the yumminess in here. And you guys, if I'm talking low, it's because it's like 2 a.m. But I wanted to get this video out because I'm trying to clean up my floors in my craft room, so I figured I'd get rid of everything that I have to do. But let's get on with this amazing package. It's so beautiful and magical. Look at her wand, you guys. Look at this beauty. Isn't that amazing? And then like the stick is sequins, which is such a good idea. I love this. I love the trim. I love everything. I've been meaning to I've been meaning to get this trim right here. I love it. So pretty. So I'm gonna move the box so that I can pull stuff out. So in this swap, we needed to make a wand. We needed to make a hoop. We needed to make a dream catcher. And then I think it was like $10 worth of gifts and a cup, a unicorn cup. And I think that's about it. So this over here is not from that package. She sent me her entry for my current giveaway, so I'm gonna put that on the side. So here's my hoop, and there's like another package here. Oops, right there we have some goodies in here. And then I peeked through it already, you guys. I did take my cup out. So beautiful. Look at this cup. Always be a unicorn. I absolutely love this cup. She also sent me some candy. I want to take out some of these little bags. You guys, look at this unicorn notebook. This is so cute. She sent me a little note. This is for me. And then there was like another little bag over here. And then the last thing is the dream catcher. And I think that's everything. Oh, there's one more gift right here. Right? Yep, and that's all the yumminess in the box. So let's get on with the gifts. So she gave me this super cute shaped notebook, unicorn. I have not seen this. At my local Marshalls. Super adorable. She got me this super cute mug. I love it with the teal blue. Super cute. So I showed you guys the wand. So now let's look at my dream catcher, you guys. Look how amazing this looks. I totally didn't do a video of the one I made for her, so I'm hoping she shows it very well. But you guys, look at this. How beautiful is that? Look at the detail on the flowers. And then look at this, you guys. Do you guys see this? How super long it is. Look at that. It's so long. I love it so much. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Martha. This is beautiful. You did a really good job, girl. I wung it. Is that even a word? I wung it. I just went with the flow. And I'm hoping you like it. So beautiful. I gotta find somewhere to put this because this is gorgeous. And some yummy candies that I'm gonna share with my girls, of course. Rainbow, unicorn rainbow shimmer lollipops. I sent her some lollipops as well. I want to open up this one. See what we have here. I think it feels like a paper pad. What is it? Yes, it is. It's the Polarific. What is it? Yeah, Polarific. Look how fun. She got me the Polarific. And let's go in here first. Ooh, she got me the little cards. Can you see that? So she got me the paper pad. She got me the postcard pad. I love these little bags, and I'm glad that she didn't like put anything on them so I can reuse them. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, she gifted me some of that Martha Stewart like ribbon with the unicorn. I purchased this, but you know what, you guys? I haven't found it. Ah, you guys, I haven't had like anyone send me these. I've been seeing everybody buy them from the dollar store. And look, she sent me a pack in my favorite color. And then I got another one of these bags. She sent me this super cute unicorn like traveler's notebook. Isn't that fun? I've never seen this. Isn't this cool? I have never seen this. Thank you so much for my goodies. I absolutely love them. I'm not done yet. Because she also sent me this, which we're going to just slide it out because I don't want to ruin the ribbon. Look how cute her ribbon is. Like the bow that she put. Isn't that cute? So I see here. Alright, what does it say here? Oh, it says die cuts. And then I guess you put them in here. And then we have all the die cuts in here. So she made like a little die cut box. That's so cute. I like how you did that. Like you packaged it yourself. Oops, I think I got it stuck here. I like how you did that. That's so cute. See, she added like her own packaging, and in the back it says die cuts. She put the little pictures of what comes inside. Adorable. I love it. I love it. She also gave me some stickers. Super cute. And a unicorn princess notebook with some stickers inside. Very cute. And then last but not least, let's open up my hoop. I made a smaller one. The one I made was a 6x6. Oh, something fell. Let's remove the plastic. And look how cute this is, you guys. Do you guys see the color? I see the unicorn in the back, the horn. So I got this cute little pen. Some little buttons. Little flip-flop buttons. Some sequins in a bag. Very tropical sequins. Oh, she sent me a bunch of stickers from the collection. I don't have a bunch of stuff in my collection. Look at this one, you guys. It's like a little drink. She sent me the shaker ones. She sent me this cute little flamingo pen. And you guys, look, she sent me the stamp and die kit. How adorable is that? I love that. I didn't have that. And look how cute her little hoop mill is. It's actually a shaker. Isn't that crazy? Look at that. She did so good. Look at that. Look at the detail. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this. It's that leather that you can use for traveler's notebooks. I love how she did this. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Martha, if you're watching. I hope you enjoy your box as much as I enjoyed yours. Everything is absolutely perfect. Thank you for also sending an entry in for my giveaway. I'll be posting this on another video where I do my unboxing of the entries. But thank you so much for everything. I absolutely love it. And yeah, you guys, don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a new video. And I'm sorry if I sounded a little blah, but it's like 2:30 in the morning. I'm like half asleep, but I wanted to get this video out. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. I love you guys. Bye.